Harita, third year CSC B section, Adi Shankara Institution of Technology, register number is 517, Mission Learning Tech Talk video. Introduction. Companies across the world are automatically their data connection analysis and visualization processing. There are also conclusions in corporate artificial intelligence in their business plans to reduce human effects and stay ahead of the curve. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, has become one of the best, most in demand career paths. It is a method of data analysis that is being used by experts to automate analytical model building. Systems are continuously evolving and learning from data, identifying patterns and providing valuable insights with minimal human intervention thanks to machine learning. Now that we know why this path is in demand, let us learn more about the types of machine learning. What is introduction of machine learning? This is introduction. Machine learning. Machine learning (ML) is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to self-learn from training data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms are able to detect patterns in data and learn from them in order to make their own prediction. Who invented machine learning? Arthur Schwaffel, one of its own. Arthur Samuel is credited for coining the terms machine learning, which the research PDF 492 cable link resides outside IBM. Around the games of cheaper art was the first example of machine learning. 1952, Arthur Samuel wrote the first computer learning program. The program was the gaming of chess, and the IBM computers improved at the game the more it played, studying which moves are made up winning categories and importing those who moves into its program. What is label? Label is a small piece of paper, fabric, plastic or similar material attached to an object and given information about it. What is the best definition of machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence which is broadly defined as the capability of a machine to implement intelligence humans. Behavior artificial intelligence systems are used to perform complex tasks in a way that is similar to how humans solve problems. Machine learning is an implication of AI that enables systems to learn and improve from experience without being experiment program. Machine learning process focus on development computer program that can access data and use to learn for themselves. Or what is machine learning? Machine learning is the scientific study of algorithms and statistical models that computer systems use to perform a specific task without being explicitly programmed. Learning algorithm is many applications that we make use daily. What is machine learning and example? Machine learning is a modern invention that has enhanced many industries and professional processes as well as our daily lives. It is a subset of artificial intelligence AI which focuses on using statistically technologies to build intelligence computer system to learn from available databases. This is human and machines. Women, I can learn everything automatically from experience. Can you learn? Yes, I can also learn from fast data with the help of machine learning. Few real world applications of machine learning. Medical diagnosis, stock market trend and prediction, online fraud reduction, language translation, image and speech recognition, virtual smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, emails filter especially spam or malware detections, traffic prediction on Google Maps, product recommendation on e-commerce sites like Amazon, self-driven cars like Tesla. There are 7 steps are following the machine learning: gathering data, preparing the data, choosing a model, training, evaluation, parameter turning. Reduction. It is a mandated to learn a program language, preferable Python, along with the required analytically and mathematically knowledge. There are the first 5 mathematical arrays that you need to brush up before jump into solving a machine learning problem. Linear algebraic for data analysis, scalar, vector, matrices and tensor. Mathematical analysis, derivatives and granted. Probability theories and statistical for machine learning. Multivariate calculations, algorithms and complex automatically. How does machine learning works? The three major building blocks of a system are the model, the parameters and the learner. Model is the system which makes prediction. The parameters are the factor which are considered by the model to make prediction. The learner makes the adjustment in the parameters and the model to align the prediction with the article results. Let us build on the beer and wine example from above to understand how machine learning works. A machine learning model here has to predict if a data drink is a beer or wine. The parameters selected are the color are of the drink and the alcohol percentage. The first step is learning from the training set. This involves taking a sample data set of several drinks for which the color and alcohol percentage is specified. Now we have to define the description of each qualification, that is wine and beer, in terms of the value of parameters for each type. The model can use the description to decide if a new drink is a wine or beer. You can represent the values of the parameters, colors and alcohol percentage, and x and y represents. Then xy defines the parameters of each drink in the training data. This set of data is called a training set. This value, when plotted on graph, present a hypothesis in the form of a line, a rectangle or a polynomial that fits best to the described result. Thank you.